welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a little get ready with me using the just a little ELF palette I got on clearance for like $3 at Walmart. So it's just a little drugstore day. This is the look that I achieved, and if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Hello everybody, today I am going to be putting on this ELF Chromatic Eyeshadow Palette. I found this for $3 at Walmart. It is super cute. And I'm just going to start off with the lightest colored shade and apply it all over the crease and to the base of my lid to kind of give me something to work with and smooth that out. There are three light colors, like one is a bone color, then a tan, then a darker brown. So I'm going over it with the tan to add some depth and also with the darker brown. So I'm going to sweep that in and out with my Morphe fluffy blending brush and get some darker color into the crease. Next up is this dark mauve color. I'm going to put that in the crease, but towards the outer corner for a little bit more depth and to add some purple hue into the look. And then I'm going to add this maroonish purplish color on top of that to even deepen the color even more. Here I am just using the same color to build up that color even deeper. I really want it to have a light color in the middle and a nice dark color on the outer corner. And using a clean, fluffy blending brush, I will be blending all of these colors together to make sure that it's nice and blended out and there aren't any kind of patchy colors on the top of the lid or in the crease. I know it's supposed to be a drugstore day, but just to add a little bit more pop, I have a Stila liquid shadow that kind of matches the color I already have in the outer corner. So I'm adding that on top of it to give it a deeper color and using the fluffy blending brush to blend that all together so it doesn't look like I just painted the lid. Going back in with that bone color, I am going up underneath my eyebrow, right on the brow bone, to lighten up any of the purple that I may have gotten up there. I want to keep the top of my eyelid looking bright. With my highlighting palette, I'm going to add just a little bit of highlight in the inner corner to brighten up my eyes, and then I'm going to line my bottom lash line with a Maybelline Electric Purple waterproof eyeliner. For my brows, I accidentally grabbed what I thought was my brow kit. However, I ended up getting a black gel liner from Kiss, which happened to work out pretty well, so I kept it as is, and I think I might use it again in the future. Going back to the deepest purple in the ELF palette, I'm going to put some on a small blending brush and go right along my bottom lash line to kind of carry the shadow and the entire look around the eye. You just continue doing this until you get the desired look underneath the bottom of the eye. Sometimes if you want to smoke it out even more, you can grab a lighter color purple and have the contrast of the two colors have that really smoky look. Then I'm going to take concealer on a small concealer brush and I'm going to clean up the edges of how I want my eyes to look. Since I did not use tape, I'm going to make some nice straight lines, and then I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Once again, cheating on drugstore day, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Sunset Cove and make my eyes pop a little bit more in the center. Like I said, I wanted a nice bright purple, and I'm just going to apply that on both sides, and like I did with the other one, grab a fluffy blending brush and blend it all out to smooth out the edges. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm going to grab my Bobbi Brown liquid eyeliner in the color black and just line the upper lid. I haven't been feeling the wings lately, so I haven't really been doing them. I'm just going to line the upper lid and then I'll probably pop on a pair of lashes. So lining is all I'll do today. And like I said, I was going to pop on some lashes. I'm going to do these lashes right here. And before I do that, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. This is by Clinique in the color black. After I apply my mascara, I'm going to go ahead and apply those lashes. I'm not going to record the entire thing and jump on over to the next step. Alright, lashes are on, and now I'm going to grab my Urban Decay blush in the shade Fetish and apply those to the apples of my cheeks. So now I've just grabbed my Profusion highlighting kit, and it's also a blush kit, but it's so shimmery, I use it as a highlighter all the way around. I grabbed this little highlighter brush from ELF that was also on clearance at Walmart for just a couple bucks. $2, I believe. And I'm just going to add the highlight to the tops of my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. Lining my lips with my Buxom lip liner. And I'm going to apply some Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Hush. And top that off with my Buxom lip gloss. Moving on to my Paris Hilton contouring kit, I'm just going to add a little bit of bronzer underneath my cheekbones, on the sides of my nose to make my nose look a little bit narrower, and underneath my bottom lip to make my lip fuller. In order to carve out that contour and make it look a little bit more defined, you can grab a translucent powder. This one's by Coty. You can get it at Walmart for a couple bucks. Put it on a damp beauty blender and just put that underneath where I just contoured underneath my cheekbones, and that will also set your foundation in place. So I'm putting it on my forehead and a couple of other areas that aren't so drying. And I'm going to finish it off with my ELF setting spray. It's actually like a workout refreshing mist, but it can also act as a setting spray. And then I'll just finalize that by taking my damp beauty blender and blotting my face. So there you have it, guys. This is the final look. You can see the tops of my eyes and how they turned out. And that is all for this chapter of the Curvy Cuban. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. That is it for this look using the little ELF Cosmetics palette that I have. See how it turned out. If you like me, you like my channel, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and touch that little bell so you don't miss any new videos. You'll get all the notifications. We will see you guys later. Bye.